Hello everyone, this is the second part of chapter number 9, the soils of India. The different kinds of soils found in India are: very first, alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is very fertile. It is found in the northern and the coastal plains. It is made of fine sand and silt. These are carried or washed down by the rivers that flow down from the Himalayas and the hills of Deccan Plateau. The fine sand and silt get deposited on the river banks during the annual flooding. It is ideal for growing crops such as rice, wheat, maize, sugarcane, tobacco, oilseeds, pulses, cotton, jute, vegetables and fruits. Dear students, it's a picture of rice crops grown well in alluvial soil. Okay, in alluvial soil, rice crops can be grown very well. Now next, black soil. Black soil, also called lava soil. It is formed from solidification of lava. It is the molten rock that flows through cracks and crevices of the earth's surface. It is black in color. It is found in Maharashtra, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. Black soil can be hold large amount of water. This quality makes it suitable for growing cotton and sugarcane, wheat, millets, tobacco and oilseeds are also grown in this type of soil. Dear students, it's a picture of black soil. Now next, red soil. Red soil cannot retain moisture. To make it fertile, farmers add fertilizers to it. It is found in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, some parts of Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha and Jharkhand. Once manure is added, cotton, wheat, rice, millets and pulses can be grown. Dear students, it's a picture of red soil. Now MCQs. First, blank of soil depends on many factors. Answer is fertility. Second number, blank soil is very fertile. Answer is A, alluvial. Laterite soil. Laterite soil develops as a result of leaching in places of heavy rainfall. This soil is also not fertile as all its nutrients are lost due to leaching. It has to be replenished with manure to grow crops. It is found in few areas of Maharashtra, Odisha, West Bengal, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Kerala, Bihar, Assam and Meghalaya. It is good for growing millets and groundnuts. This soil in coastal plains is irrigated by water from canals and rivers. It is enriched with manure and made fit to grow rice and sugarcane. Laterite soil is also used for making bricks. Dear students, it's a picture of laterite soil is dried and baked to make bricks. Now, mountain soil. As the name suggests, this soil is found in hilly areas. It is rich in humus. Humus is a natural fertilizer that is formed from decomposed dead leaves and plants. It is the top layer of the soil. Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh have mountain soil. Wheat, barley, maize, fruits, coffee, tea and spices grow well in mountain soil. Dear students, it's a picture of mountain soil. Next, desert or sandy soil. Desert soil is found in arid region. This soil is sandy and not fertile. As deserts receive little or no rainfall, the sandy soil needs a lot of water for growing crops. Wheat, millets, barley, maize and pulses can be grown if water is available for irrigation. Otherwise, desert soil only supports cactus, bushes and shrubs. Dear students, it's a picture of desert soil has a lot of sand. Okay. Soil erosion. Soil erosion occurs when the uppermost layer of the soil is removed by the action of wind and water. Causes of soil erosion: human activities such as cutting down of trees, pulling out grasses and overgrazing by animals make the soil loose. Rainwater and strong winds carry the loose soil away. If there is not enough vegetation to hold it, often landforms like steep slopes also cause soil erosion. Now, prevention of soil erosion. Plant more trees and stop deforestation. Second, hill slopes should be covered with vegetation to prevent erosion. Third number, fields should not be kept barren. Stop overgrazing. Enrich soil by adding natural or organic fertilizers like cow dung, compost and humus. Practice terrace farming in hilly areas. Points to remember: soil is the uppermost layer of the earth's surface that supports plant life. Fertility of the soil is influenced by factors such as parent rock, climate, vegetation and availability of water. Different kinds of soil which are found in different parts of India are alluvial, black, laterite, mountain and desert soil. Removal of the upper layer of soil by the action of wind and water is called soil erosion. Soil erosion is caused by natural as well as human activities. Soil erosion can be prevented by planting more trees, practicing terrace farming in hilly areas, preventing overgrazing, etc. Dear students, here we have completed our chapter. In the next video, we are going to check out the exercise. Thank you.